Don't do this. If you want to create a nice and easy responsive table in Excel, don't waste time doing this way. Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to create nice and easy responsive table headings in Excel. Before we start, please click subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. First of all, right-click on the worksheet and choose View Code. In General Object, click on the right drop-down button and choose this worksheet. Start writing a short line of code. Cells.entire columns.autofit. Then close the code dialog. Now start typing what you want. As what you can see, it is responsively as you typed and the columns fit your titles. The columns become bigger when your title is long and it becomes small when your title is short. All cells are responsive, it will resize every single data that you typed in every single cell. This way will help you a lot to instead of resizing the cells one by one in every single cell. Drop your comment below the video if you have questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications.